Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how you can use Canva in a fun way to edit a photo. I'm giving you some useful information that beginners would appreciate, so you might want to stick around. When you would like to learn more about editing photos, subscribe to my channel to see my next recent updates. But for now, let's continue with this subject. I'm now in a design and edit a photo of my dog just to show you everything. If you want to know how to upload an image in Canva, see the link below in the description to my full tutorial for that. So let's start. You click on the image you want to edit and then you simply just go here up above. In this area you see Edit Image. And mostly when you're editing something in Canva, you'll be here in this area, but with your device it might look different. And for all the tools we are going to use, we're going to focus on the left right here. Here up above you see the search bar for editing tools, so that might be useful when you are familiar with it. Here you see what I recently used, and here you see that there is a background remover. But this is only for the paid versions, so for Canva Pro. At the moment I am in a free account, because I wanted to show you this is only available on a Pro account. But I will show you now how anyone can do this just on the internet for free. You go to remove.bg and you simply click on Upload Image right here. And you select the image and click on Upload. And now you see what the site made of it before you click on Download. And sometimes you will see that it didn't work completely. So if you're not happy with it, you can select here, Edit. And then here you click on Erase and Restore. And here you can adjust the size of your brush. And here you can zoom in. And I'll show you what it does. And if you want to redo it, you click on the button here. And if you're happy with it, you just click on Download. And download image. But I have also a Canva Pro account, that's where I am right now. So I'll show you what the difference is between a free background removal right here and a paid background removal. Because now we do have some expectations. If it is so easy to just do it for free online, there must be a reason why Canva lets you pay for it. So you click on the image and click Edit Image, and here you see the background remover. You just click it and it loads. And there it is. So you can see the difference between a free version and a paid version. Let's zoom this a little bit in. So you can judge for yourself what is better. I personally think that the Canva version is way better than the free version, because the free version filled my quality of the photo and Canva didn't do that. Next, in the options to edit the image, we can adjust it with a few bars right here. And if you click on See All, you can see there are lots of options. And you just need to try it and see what looks good on your image, of course. I personally think this photo is a bit pale, so I'll make it a little bit more brighter a little later. Here you can choose between some filters. So if you click See All, you see a lot more. For example, this. And with this bar, you can change the intensity of your filter. And here you see some tools. This one makes your photo a little bit more vivid. And when you click on it, you see that there is another bar to change the intensity. And with this option, you can see the results with your tool and without. This is with most of the tools, so keep that in mind. This one makes your background blurry. So just experiment a little bit and then you just simply click on Apply. And with this, you can adjust your portrait of yourself. So this is not going to work on this picture, but here is what you can do with it. You can see it smooths the skin, it can whiten the teeth, and it erases the red eyes. And with this one you can blur some more things in your photo or restore it. So if you click on the plus, you can blur it, and with the minus you can restore it. Here you can adjust the intensity, and here the spread, it's kind of the same. And here is the size of your brush. And then you simply click on Done and Apply. And with this option, Smart Mockups, you can put your image on a device. And if we click on See All, you can see you can put it on a card, you can put it in a frame, or a book, or clothes, or a mug. But let's just see, for example, if we would put it on the wall. It looks like this. And here you can add a shadow. So for example, this. or this, or this. And here are some frames you can add. And then we have left some effects. With duotone you can add a color effect. And photogenic also gives a color effect. And this one is a letter mosaic. If you click on one and you click again, you can see there are more options to adjust it. I'm not going to show you this with every option, but I'll give you some examples. So you can see that there are a lot of fun things you can do with editing here. And here are some paint effects. So it's sort of a painting. Or this. And don't forget, if you think it looks nice, you just click on apply. And here you can add a bad TV effect. I don't know why you would want this, but it's there. This one gives your photo another color effect. This one gives an artistic effect. And this one can also be fun. You can just adjust it so it isn't so overwhelming, of course. And this one gives an effect like it was on an old screen back in the days. And with this one you can pixelate it. Here you can make it look like you're in front of a funny mirror. And this one gives also another color effect. And with these your photo looks like it was painted. And then we have left here up above some options that you can flip your image, horizontal or vertical. And you can animate it, but of course that's more for if it's in a video. And here on the right you can change the transparency of your image. So this was an instruction video to edit your photo in Canva with the basic options. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments and I will get back to you. I hope you enjoy making your own DIY photo.